Hello everyone, we are in the question set 25. So in the previous video we have discussed about question set 24 and uh, we are discussing this discussing about this question exam mark DB since question set 60. So we can move on to the first question. Find the average obtained in the first term mathematics subject. So we have to find the average mark. For that we have to connect some tables. We have to connect exam mark record table to find the average mark, and we have to join the exam term table and the subject table. So we have to select to find the average mark, average value of some column. We can use this AVG keyword. It means average. So we have to find average mark in the mark column. So then we have to mention the tables and other things. Student exam mark record, and we can inner join sorry, I can inner join subject table and after this on keyword we have to mention the common column. It means primary key and the foreign key for both tables. So this is the common column. Subject ID is the common column. And we can inner join exam term table also. Exam term table on common column is the exam term ID. Exam term ID now we can enter the conditions where subject name is this mathematics, and term name is first term, So let's see. The average mark is 71.845 in the first term mathematics subjects. So find the average obtained in the second term Sinhala subject. So we only have to change these two conditions, and this part is same for both queries. So I am not going to type it again. I will change this two conditions only. So subject name is the singular and single language and literature. So this is the first query. Now we have to change this subject name, and term is second term. Second term. Now, so now we can execute this query. The average mark is this for second term singular subject obtained by all students. Find the average marks obtained by Sachitra Wickramasinghe student in all subjects in the examination held on this date. So we have to find the average mark uh, of a student. So we can execute a query. Select average mark from student exam mark record table, and we have to inner join student table firstly, and we have to mention the command columns. These are the command columns. Student index number is the command column. Inner join, we can again inner join another table. Can join subject table. On we have to mention the command column. Command column is the subject ID. This command column used to make a relationship between two tables. So we can inner join exam term on command column is the exam term ID. Here it is, and now we can mention the conditions. In order to find the details of Sachitra Wickramasinghe, we have to mention his name as the condition. First name is this, and second sorry, last name is this. Last name is Wickramasinghe. And we have to enter another condition. exam date. They have given the exam date also. Exam date is this. So average mark is 63.09. So this is the average mark of this student. And we can move to this last question. Arrange the mark obtained by all the students of class 11A in the first term in the first term in ascending order. So we have to order these values in ascending order. In the previous video we did the same thing, so we can find the marks obtained by students of class 11A. Let me do that. We can select mark and also we can select index number. It would be easy to identify. From student exam mark record table and inner join student table on student exam mark record. Now we have to mention the common columns. Common column is the index number. And we can inner join subject on common column is subject ID for both tables, and we can inner join exam term table on common column is the term ID and we can inner join join class table, class on the common column is the class ID. And after that we can enter conditions should be class A class name must be the 11A and term name must be the first term. So These are the conditions. Class name is 11a and term name is first term. And we have to do another task. We have to order these values in ascending order. We can use order by keyword, and we have to, after this order by keyword, we have to mention the mark, what is the column that we are going to get results in ascending order. After the this mark column, we can use this AC keyword. It means ascending. So we can execute this query. As you can see, the result being given in ascending order. So that's all for question set 25. We will meet again with question set 26. Until then, goodbye.